Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Given the isosceles trapezoid FATE below, if AD is equal to 8, what is the value of x? Now since FATE is isosceles trapezoid, diagonals are equal according to property. This is property of isosceles trapezoid that its diagonals are equal. So we can say FT is equal to AE. So we can simply equate the values. 12 is equal to 3x minus 6. So we get 3x equal to 12 plus 6, which is equal to 3x equal to 18. And from here we get x equal to 6. So answer is option D, 6.